Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a Google Calendar to your Squarespace website. So now I am on edit page on Squarespace and I want to add this Google Calendar. So to add it here, for example, let's add a section at the top and let's try to find some forms. And after that, we're going to add a blog, but first we need a code. So we go to our Google Calendar, click on the settings right now. On the settings, you want to go ahead and click on settings for my calendars and choose a calendar you want to add. After this, you want to click on integrate the calendar. And here you will find that there is a embed code. So you want to copy it right there. And go ahead to your Squarespace, click add a blog and find embed. Now we need to add a code snippet like so. And now, as you can see, the calendar is added. Now you can just adjust where you want to put it, but basically that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.